Oh, well, hi, Rude again. This is Kentaro Sato's SATOKEN'S Box Rank Show. Oh, yeah. Always thank you very much for my channel and watching my video. Today, I would like to open, the golf one. Yeah. Boom. Upper Deck 2014 SP Authentic Gold. Oh, yeah. The reason why I'm wearing this cap and golf club over here, I would like to open this product and share what I got from you. Oh. Sorry about this. But actually, this is my second box. I opened the first one, so I will do the recap of the first box and then open this one. Okay, I will go your side. Let's start it. Woo! Yep. Let me explain Japanese a little today. So, じゃあ今日はですね、SPA オーセンティックのゴルフをですね、ちょっと開けたいなと思っておりまして、One more down. ということで、皆さんとシェアしたいなと思ってるんですけども、これすでにね、2箱目なんですよね。こうなんですけどね、こうなんですけどね、こうなんですけどね、こうなんですけどね。で、まずボックスナンバー1のリキャップからやりたいなと思ってまして、So, as I told you, I would like to do the recap of box number 1. Yep. I think it was very nice. Quite a very solid box, I believe. You will get 3 or 4 autographs in one box. チャドが今ね、Fire Hands のね、グループブレイクにも参加してる。I'm now in the middle of the group breaks of the Fire Hands sports card. Go, Chad, go! Crown Royal Ice Hockey group break. But a nice one for me. So I got lots of rookie card. It's great. この色はグレーなのがルーキーカードになってるみたいなんですけどね。まあいろんなのが出ましたよね。だいたい8枚ぐらいが出るんですかね。And of course, tons of authentic moments. McElroy. Nice. ね、パーマーとかテイオとかジャック・ニクラスとかいろんなの出ましたよね。タイガー・ウッズとかね。Sorry. Then I got 3 autographs from this box. Box number 1. The first one was Redemption. Rookie signature number 699 Blind Gay. And Signs of the Time J. Harse. Cool. And the final one is SP Kilography number 50 Corey Pavin. Not bad, I think. ね、これ綺麗でいいですよね。ちょっと見ましょうか。Let's have a closer look. これなかなかいいですよ。Number 50ですかね。50ですかね。Can you see number? Yep, number 50. Oh, very good. So that was number 1, box number 1. So let's go to the box number 2. まあこれちょっと量が多いんでですね、パカパカ開けていきたいかなと思ってますけどね。Okay, let's start it. Good luck to me, good luck to you, good luck to all of us. Let's go. SPO Authentic Gold, box number 2. これいただきましょうね。まあなんかいいのが出てくるといいんじゃないでしょうか。なんか非常にね、いいんじゃないかなと思いまして。おお。開けましたよって。シュッシュッシュッ。Yep, like this. 20 packs inside. 4 cards per pack. Empty. チャドちょっと声が。A bit loud, boss. Chad. Thank you. これやりましょうか。ね、なんか太ってる。Fat pack. Not a fat pack. なんかすごい薄いのもありますけどね。 これすごい太ってますよ。これファットパックですね。これ最後にしましょうか。Maybe a deco card. なんでしょう。これなんか怪しいですけどね、作りがね。なんかこれとかも怪しい。あ、これ分厚いですね。これファットパックですね。Later. Okay, let's do it. SPO Cintiq. If I found the autograph card, I will keep it to the last pack. Let's go. Yep. Wow. Base card, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Trevor Immelman. Authentic moment of Tiger Woods and Michael Jordan. Woods and Jordan. Nice. Cool. Camilo Villegas. I don't know. 誰だよみたいな。すごいですね。面白いですね。Luis Ostizian, correct? David Duval, he's very famous. Rookie of Brandon Steele. And Jack Nicklaus. 帝王が出ました。ジャック・ニクラス。ね、すごいじゃないですか。I think I got an autograph card. Sorry, we'll keep it later. I think I got a first one. 今、オートが入ってたんで、最後に回させていただきます。Charles Howell. Authentic moments of Gary Player. Oh, cool. Legend. Gary Player. Authentic moments. Natalie Gabbs. Oh, 出ましたね、こいつね。なるほど。And Frick Caplis. バケツ面白いですね、なかなかね。お、これもね、オートが出ました。I think this is auto too. So we got two autos already, so I would like to keep it last. Sorry. Auto and autograph. Auto. First one, second one. We already got two auto. やばいっすね。なんかこんなに早くオートが出ちゃうとちょっとやばいんじゃないの？Base card of Tiger Woods. Rookie card of Ted Potter Jr. Payne Stewart. Michael Campbell. トランロイヤルのグループブレイク始まっちゃいましたね。Hale Irwin. お、いいね。Paul Klemer. Jonas Blixt. That was a rookie card. Bill Haas. で、1枚目でオート引いたハースが出てきますね。Nancy Lopez. Authentic moments of Jack Nicklaus and Arnold Palmer. Cool. Nice. Craig Stidler. Joe Ogilvy. Actually, this product is very hot. My local car shop has imported 6 cases of this SPL in the Gulf in just only 5 hours. It lasted 5 hours. All gone, sold out. Mike Weir, Ben Clenchard, Luke card of Morgan Hoffman, and Tommy Gainey. Christy Curl, Literally, that's a rookie card. Ken Duke, Camilo Villegas. Mentioned before. Go, Chad, go! Come on. Yep. Kevin Streelman. Authentic moments. Rory McIlroy. Cool, nice guts ports. Very nice. Robert Garrigus. Thomas Bjorn. Cal Peterson. Gary Player. Luke card of John Hu. And Jay Hars again. Oh, we gotta look. Oh. Ernie Els. And is this an autograph card? Oh, sent. ごめんなさい. I'm sorry. This is a rookie card. Melissa Lead. Oh, Centec rookie. So I got the third one. So there's no more autograph card inside this box. Number 699. 333. Oh, cool. Number 333. 333. L699. Melissa Lead. All Centec rookies autograph card. Cool. Not bad. And John Mellinger and Colin Montgomery. さあ、もうオートが3枚出ちゃいましたよね。Michael Jordan again. Trevor Immelman. I got another one. I got 4 autograph cards. So, autograph card, and yeah, Melissa Lead. So 4 autographs inside, I believe. That means these are not a patch auto. しょうがないよね。逆算しちゃうからね。しょうがないですよね。Luis Oosthuizen. Again, on Celtic Moments. David Dubois and Tiger Woods. Ooh, cool. John Merrick. Annika Solenstam. Woo! She's very famous in Japan. David Dubois, Steve Stricker, Austin Ernst, Latif Goosen, Curtis Strange, Chichi Rodriguez, Authentic Moments of Johnny Miller, and Corey Pavin. Yep. Will McGirt, rookie of Simone Dyson, Tim Clark, Jerry Carey. Let's go to Fatty. Yep, deco card. Whew, it was deco card. Peter Hansen, Authentic Moments of Ben Crenshaw, deco card. Stacy Lewis, Johnny Miller. Whew. Second Fatty one. Yeah, deco card. What's deco card? Steve Stricker, Bo Bam Pelt, Authentic Moments of Luis Oosthuizen. Yep. And John Merrick. So we have 3 packs left. Autograph, I believe. Oops. Okay, we start from this one. Trevor Immelman and Jack Nicklaus. And we got an autograph card of Corey Pavin again. Corey Pavin again. Oh, second one. Yeah, the former one. Corey Pavin. また出ました、ペイビンが。ね。That was second one. And I will pull from this one. Byron Nelson. Henrik Stenson. I talked about Henrik Stenson. Latter side, Arnold Palmer. And the signs of the times of Jerry Carey. Sorry. Don't know. So that's the third one. Ooh. 3 autograph cards so far and the final one. Final autograph card. Nick Faldo. Latif Goosen. Annika Solenstam. And that was from the 2012 Sign of the Time from the 2012 product Matt Kuchar. Yeah. So how was it? How was the full autograph card? I got it. Full autograph card. Yep, not bad, but a little bit disappointed. Melissa Lee, 333 of 699. Corey Pavin, Sign of the Times. And Jerry Carey, Sign of the Times. And Sign of the Time from 2012, Matt Kuchar. Okay, sorry for the long video. Thank you very much for watching my video again. See you next time. Goodbye, everybody. Thumbs up. Bye.